Welcome to another exciting video, where we dive deep into the world of luxury and performance. Today, we have something truly special, a masterpiece of Italian engineering, the 2025 Ferrari Roma, a car that blends timeless elegance with modern innovation, delivering an unmatched driving experience. The 2025 Ferrari Roma is a perfect balance of sophistication and power. Its design pays homage to the grand touring Ferraris of the past, while incorporating cutting-edge aerodynamics and technology. The sleek and sculpted body is a visual treat. Every curve and contour is meticulously crafted to enhance performance and aesthetics. The aggressive yet graceful front grille, LED headlamps, and the flowing lines create a stunning profile that commands attention on this road. Under the hood, the Roma houses a refined twin-turbocharged V8 engine that roars to life. With an exhilarating growl, it delivers breathtaking acceleration, seamlessly transferring power to the rear wheels. The latest version of Ferrari's 8-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-fast gear shifts, making every drive a thrilling experience. The advanced chassis and suspension setup provide incredible stability and responsiveness, allowing for a dynamic yet comfortable ride, whether cruising through city streets or pushing limits on the open road. Inside, the Roma Ferrari has elevated the luxury experience to new heights. The cabin is a fusion of premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and driver-focused ergonomics. The leather-clad seats are sculpted for both comfort and support, providing an immersive experience for both the driver and passenger. The dual-display cockpit layout features an intuitive infotainment system, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a sophisticated control interface, ensuring effortless connectivity and control. Ferrari's commitment to innovation is evident in the Roma's advanced driving dynamics and safety features. The car is equipped with state-of-the-art electronic systems that enhance stability, traction, and braking performance. The suite of driver assistance technologies ensures a safer yet engaging driving experience. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and performance-enhancing software make the Roma not just a powerful machine but also an intelligent one. The sound of the Roma is an experience in itself. The symphony of the V8 engine, combined with Ferrari's finely tuned exhaust system, creates an exhilarating soundtrack that amplifies the thrill of driving. Whether it's a low rumble at idle or an aggressive roar at full throttle, the Roma delivers an auditory sensation that is pure automotive bliss. Driving the 2025 Ferrari Roma is not just about speed and power, it's about emotion. It's about feeling connected to the road, to the machine, and to the legacy of Ferrari. Each journey in the Roma is an event. Every corner taken, every acceleration, every shift of the gears is a reminder of Ferrari's racing DNA and passion for performance. This is a car that redefines what a grand tourer should be, a car that offers the perfect blend of elegance and excitement, luxury and agility. The 2025 Ferrari Roma is not just a car, it's an experience, a statement, and a dream brought to life. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more automotive content, and let us know which car you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep the passion for cars alive and enjoy the drive.